Hello everybody, welcome to a new Minecraft video. This is going to be kind of a short, not traditional video. This is actually a program I made to hook into Minecraft, and it is called CraftGPT. Um, so it's literally ChatGPT. I hooked the AIs into Minecraft, so I can go up to, yeah, okay. So let's just give it a simple command right now. So let's do @CraftGPT. Set my game mode to survival. And it will think for a sec, and it will update me to survival. Alright, so pretty straightforward. Let's just go to game mode creative manually. If we do, we can try a different, more complex command. This one usually doesn't work, but you'll see. Here, let's get on flat ground. Let's do @CraftGPT. Build a house around me with random wool blocks as the floor. So we'll think for a sec, and hopefully this will work. This normally never really works, because ChatGPT is just stupid. It's not my programming fault. Oh, yep. Okay, I see the issue here. Unknown. Yeah. Okay. So ChatGPT is based on 2021 data sets. It probably doesn't know more syntax. So let's just do random blocks as the floor. Let's try this again. It did fire, but it just had errors in the commands. So hope, please work. It's kind of worked before. Oh, here we go. We're inside. Oh, this is its definition of a house, and it is kind of random blocks as a floor. Yeah. Let's do one more. Let's do two more. @CraftGPT. Give me 64 diamond blocks, 1 diamond sword with sharpness 2, and also, oh man, set a chest in front of me. You can do like multiple part commands here. Hopefully it gets the enchanting format right. Oh, here we go. It did not set the chest in front of us, but it did successfully give us the diamond blocks and enchanting. Alright. Oh, and it did set the chest. And for some reason, it also has a sword inside it. Alright. So it's thinking. Let's just do one more. I'm actually kind of having fun. Oh yeah, this is another one. Another complex command I tried earlier. I asked it to fill a chest with like bone meal, lead it down into a dispenser with a hopper, and put a redstone clock at the bottom, but it couldn't figure out the redstone clock part, and it only put in 1 bone meal. But it's ChatGPT, what do you expect? So yeah, one more. @CraftGPT, summon an ender dragon at my location. Summon 10 different creepers around me at random distances within 20 blocks. And set the time to night. Alright, let's see if that works. Very complex stuff. I'm sure this one will error. Ooh. Give it like 20 seconds maybe. 10 seconds to think. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Alright, yeah. Okay. Okay, so yeah, that worked. It did summon the creepers around me, and it also set it to night. Alright, so let's dive into the backbone of this. I'm just going to exit full screen here. Alright, what is happening? So, here is the code. Yeah, it's pretty messy, but it does work. I'll just run through it. First off, this is the console from my command, and it will say what it said. Yeah, here are the commands that were sent directly to ChatGPT. So I just format it like, if I were Minecraft server admin, my friend asked me to set my game mode survival. How can I do that with a command? Their username is my username. Yeah, and then just a bunch of other information that makes sure ChatGPT formats it right. And then once it gets a response, it will just fire the command and give the output of that command. So every time I say something with the @ChatGPT tag, it will do it. So as you saw earlier, it errored out when trying to make the random wool blocks because it was using an older Minecraft format. So if I were to run a new command, oh yeah, here's all the creepers that it spawned around me. And it does in fact use just random areas around my location. And yeah, it's really interesting to see how it does it. But the code behind it is pretty simple. So when the program is running, basically every second it does check for chat. And this entire task is reading the Minecraft log file. So this is all on a server because it has a server log, and also you can use a remote connect protocol to send the commands. So basically, it's looking at this log file right here. It's always reading the last line too. It will see when I say something in the chat right here. So yeah, at CraftGPT, this is one of my requests. And so it will read it, and it will basically, there's an if statement right here. Hopefully you guys can see it. If the result contains server info and this stuff, just so it knows it's about to be a chat, and it also contains ChatGPT and is not also not the last thing sent, it will basically split out everything except for my username, and it will set that as variable right here. And it also gets the chat that I said, so summon me an ender dragon at my location, all this stuff, yada yada. And then on top of that, it will get my player position. It will send a tell raw command telling me that it's thinking. And this is how it structures the command to ChatGPT. So if I were a Minecraft server admin and my friend asked me, and then essentially what I asked, how do I do it with the command? I gave them their username and also their location. Yeah, so I connect to ChatGPT with this function GPT query. I have an API key that I bought. I put $5 onto it, and basically every time I send one of those queries to ChatGPT's API, it like cost me like 2 cents. Yeah, but if I were to use ChatGPT 3.5 instead of 4, it would be so much dumber, and I'd have like it'd be a fraction of the cost, but I'd probably be wasting money trying to get a successful result. Yeah, and then it will basically just ask ChatGPT, hey, how do I do this? And then it will bring back a response. So you see here. And then, yeah, it will store it into this response variable. And if it is multiple commands, I told ChatGPT to separate them. So I also told it to use execute command when it can. Yeah, please separate them with that symbol. So it will separate them, and then it will send all of these queries with this Archon query. This is essentially how I talk to the server. So essentially, Archon, it is a Minecraft, like a vanilla connection protocol. Whoopsies. And you can just set it up in the server properties and stuff. You can do like Yeah, enable Archon somewhere. Yeah, here it is. Enable Archon. And it will allow clients like this to connect to it and execute commands remotely. So that's how I'm having ChatGPT in the program actually run the commands. So yeah, I just was experimenting with APIs and this is what I came up with. Yeah, I can really do some fun stuff. So at CraftGPT, at every mob in the world, summon TNT. Wait. 10 P. TNT entities. Yeah, okay. And I'm just gonna say use @e since I don't want it to do like individual commands every time. I don't want to waste money because it does charge per like character sent back and forth. God, who's calling me? Okay. Hopefully this works. Otherwise, we'll see in the console log. Add an error. Ooh, it's lagging a little. Oh man, it's really lagging. Could that be discussed? Ooh. Oh wow. So this is the command it sent. I think it's just I don't know. I don't know why it didn't work. What the fuck? Yeah, it literally succeeded. Execute as @e type equals not player summon TNT. Even if we copy that command. Oh. 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 I see the issue. So when ChatGPT did that, it was at 000 because it was also it didn't say as @e and at @e. So it did summon them. That's why there's that lag spike. But it just gets shit wrong like that sometimes. So yeah. CraftGPT teleport me to 68, 64. Yeah. And yeah, stuff like this usually works. And yeah, it's probably not worth it though to wait this long because it takes a sec. Unless it totally botched the command again. No, it's still thinking. Is it? Did I break the program? Let's try that again. Alright, something broke. Well, anyway, that's just what I want to do this video. Yeah. See ya.